happening, everyone? Welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. I hope you are all doing well and taking care of yourselves. So, we are going to start off this video with a shout out. The shout out is to TNT Balls. Todd over at TNT Balls is a pretty awesome guy. He's a really cool dude who really loves to show support and love to members of specifically the YouTube reptile community. He's always posting shout out videos and just an overall wholesome guy. I met TNT Balls through the Genetic Hunters. They used to do a lot of lives and get-togethers, and I met Todd through that. So, and I've just kind of been following his videos and like really enjoying all the shout outs and all the content that he puts out. And he's been doing some different giveaways and whatnot. So recently he did a giveaway, and there were a couple of prizes and three winners. And I actually came in third place. And I actually had joined that live, but ended up having to go to work, so I didn't actually get to see who the winners were. However, I did end up hearing through the grapevine from people congratulating me in comments that I had won the giveaway or part of the giveaway. So I went to check out the video and saw that I had made it third place, I believe. And I contacted Todd, and he was just letting me know that he's just waiting to hear back from the first two winners, and then I would be able to choose whatever was after that. So I ended up actually reaching out. He actually reached out and was just like, hey, they didn't reach out, so your first place, you get your first pick. So that was cool. And so I was really glad that I actually got to win this, because it really got me a chance to actually interact with Todd that I hadn't really been able to do before. Got to talk to him on the phone a little bit. But he's a really awesome guy. So if you guys have not yet checked out TNT Balls, go ahead and check it out. He's just a huge supportive member of this community who's all about sharing the love. It's kind of his hashtag there, and I really love it, man. I'm all about it. And I've been following his journey. He's been following mine. So I've really appreciated his support. And he knows, how much I love this community, and he's all about also showing love to the community. So he has, of course, finally sent me out what it is that I won. So I'm going to go ahead and stop rambling on about that and open up this awesome piece of mail, which, by the way, is TWR's very first piece of mail. I've not received any sort of mail yet related to my channel, even though this is kind of more of a giveaway. It's still, it's still cool. So it's my first piece of mail for TWR to open, and I'm expecting 2 other things, but they are coming out from outside of the U.S., so I'm not sure how long that process takes, but I guess when they get here, you all get to see them, because I will, of course, do a video on those. So that will be looks like my first 3 pieces of mail reptile channel related gifting, or whatever the case may be. So let's check out this giveaway prize and see what's inside this. He's got some awesome things on this cover here. I hope that's showing up. Some nice little doodles on there. Not sure if the envelope came like that or if somebody... Nope, it looks like somebody actually drew those. That's cool. Share the love. Hashtag share the love. Alright. Ooh, I'm terrible at opening. Ooh, we got some stickers. Thank you from TNT Balls. That's nice. That's nice. I hope that shows up. That's very nice. That's nice. Wow. So, we got Sticker Pro sticker. Boom. Sticker Pro. I'm going to have to check out these guys. I keep seeing a lot of people are promoting the Sticker Pro, and I've been thinking about getting stickers for my logo. So I might have to check these guys out, and if they work with me and my budget, I might have stickers soon, y'all. So keep your eyes out for that. Ooh, that's a good one. Yes, so I asked for a sticker. Yes, I did. Because you know what? I need more stickers in my life. I want to support more, reptile channels out there and whatever. I want to support you guys. So if you've got stickers and you want me to put them up, because I want to find some way of displaying these, and you want your sticker up on my display so that I can promote you as well, hit me up on Instagram. I'll shoot you an address, and you can send me your stickers. please, because I want to add to it. That's a nice sticker, TNT Balls. That's a nice sticker. I like that eye. I like that eye. All right. Ooh, it's a magnet. It's a magnet too. Nice magnets. That's next level right there. Magnets, next level. And another sticker, Sticker Pro. Cool. So this says an Amazon e-gift card for $10, and it's got my code on it. So I've never used Amazon e-gift cards before, but that's cool. It's an Amazon e-gift card for $10, and it's got my code. So I'm gonna make sure I blur that out. Actually, I'm gonna figure out a way to blur that out because I don't want y'all. So y'all have my code. Y'all better not take my code. I'm gonna have to figure out how to blur that out before doing this for sure. So anyway, yeah, that's all that's up in there. But hey, thank you again, Todd. I really appreciate you. This community appreciates you. You keep doing what you do. Y'all go over there to TNT Balls. Check them out. I'll put a link to their channel in the description, and maybe figure out how to do a card thing up here and put it there too. So love yourselves, love your reptiles, love your loved ones, and you guys keep spreading those herbs.